Welcome to my today's video. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my hair product, which is Bondi Boost Pink Salt Scalp Scrub, which is a creamy scalp treatment that is infused with premium pink salt extract to help remove excess oils, and it is made with natural ingredients to refresh the scalp. Also, using this scrub for hair feeling soft and weightless. Salt scrubs help remove dead skin cells and promoting a healthier scalp. This also helpful for flakiness and dandruff. Massaging the scalp with a salt scrub can improve blood circulation and it's good for hair growth. This luxurious scalp scrub, it cleans like a shampoo and works as a physical exfoliant. This creamy whipped formula has micro exfoliating. It made with sea salt, cooling peppermint oil and nourishing vitamin E. Exfoliating the scalp also help in promoting healthy hair growth. If you like the product and the video, then please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.